Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paraguilar and you are watching Dipat TV. Yosh! Hello mga kadipat, Don Patrick D. Paraguilar here for another edition of Dipat's Tamil League Random Video Log. So this is the 47th overall for this edition. Pang-apat na putpito natin sa ating Dipat's Tamil League Random Video Log. Ito nga kasalukuyang ipatalakayin po natin later on in a few moments. We'll talk about what we have purchased for this month of November, penultimate month of the year, November, and at this juncture, I want to first I would like to acknowledge the two of our members of Team Eat and Wine Tamiya, to Mr. RJ Bardonado Peronce, shout out, as well as to Jervis Roses, of course. Shout out to both of you, and thanks sa mga natin, mga naipabudol natin. Sabihin na natin na i-purchase na na mga parts na ating tatalakayin in just a few moments. Alright, so here in my table at Dipat's Laboratory, so this is my working table right now, and it's so clean, talagang parang Sogo lang, Sogo Hotel, so clean, so good. Siyempre, alagang Dipat Aguilar yan, definitely. Siyempre, alagang Dipat yan. Ayan na. Hindi sa pagmamayabang, pero siyempre, yun lang talaga yung kailangan. I just did yung what I thought was right. Ano lang yung tama. Ginawa lang natin yung nararapat. So, without further ado, so here inside Dipat's Laboratory, I have here some of the beneficiaries inside dito sa cabinet na to. Kukunin ko isa-isa. Itong God Logan yung una kong pinulot. And then ito si Blue Eyes King. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina sa ating GC or group chat sa Messenger na balik loob actually. So ayan yung itong si Blue Eyes King ang ilan sa mga beneficiary po natin, si God Logan, and then si actually si Ryuki. Actually itong Ryuki ang possible na rin niya. Yung pa rin yun, actually tatalakayin natin later on. Yun yung uunahin natin i-discuss in just a few moments. Yon. Who else? Sino pa yung mga beneficiary na natin? So, I guess wala na siguro. There are just three of the beneficiaries na pwede nating talakayan for this edition. Ayan. So, itong si God Logan, itong kulay pastel blue na to na busy. So, posibleng maging dalawang busy yan. Ito naman, si Ryuki. Ito siya naman yung isa sa mga beneficiary. It's simply because of this one, Ayuno. Yan, ito ang dahilan kung bakit ayan yung dahilan kung bakit siya yung possible na beneficiary, dahil nabasagan ako ng chassis uli ng mainframe. So, ito naman si BIK, magbabalik loob lang, gamit lang yung mga nakaraang purchase na binili ko last February. Nilagay ko lang, nireserba ko lang dyan, and then mamaya-maya patalakayin ko po kung ano yung mga part na pwede kong maidagdag dito sa na to. So, ayan po. Sa ating talakayan natin for today's edition, edition of Dipat's Tamil League Random Video Log. Actually, the 12th. Currently, the 12th for the year 2025 and 47th overall in the playlist on Dipat TV, Don Patrick Aguilar on YouTube. So, please like, follow, share, and subscribe. To those who are still new to our YouTube channel, Dipat TV, paki-like, follow, share, and subscribe po ang aking YouTube channel, Dipat TV, Don Patrick Aguilar. Sa YouTube, sa Facebook naman, Dipat's Tamil League. Also, An Evening with Dipat Aguilar at Dipat Aguilar. At sa TikTok naman is Dipat Tamil League. Sa yun yung shoutout din pala ulit kay Jervis Roses. Of course, yung mga yung mga ibang mga content na hindi ko pa na-upload, i-edit ko lang yon tapos i-upload. Pati itong ginagawa kong ano ngayon, taping, i-upload ko rin yan with some edits, with some descriptions, nalabas din sa animated descriptions. Yan na ilalagay ko dyan. Alright, so nakita na natin yan, right in front of you are the beneficiary ng ating mga pinamiling pinamiling mga parts na sinasabi raw magbibuild, actually balik loob lang tapos pang-ayuda lang sa ibang mga mga car kit. Most of them mga pang-ayuda lang to other kit, but just to maintain. My purpose here is simply because I just want to maintain my Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car entries for all of the categories. For this matter, it's X-Stock or B-Max and Speed Tech. So, yung nasa gitna Speed Tech, yung dalawa ay Basic Max or X-Stock. X-Stock as known in the brickyard. Yan. So, without further ado, natalakay ko na yung mga beneficiary. It's now time to reveal one by one with no more countdown needed. So, here we go with our discussion regarding regarding the parts that I bought, that I purchased for the month of November 2025. Also, shout out din to Tamiya Changi Online and the Quick Shop in the city of Malolos, Bulacan, to Sir Erwin Mervin Constantino, John Chu, to Kamshi and the rest of the entire Bulacan. Also to Jason Karating and kina Ryan Boga. Yan. Sir Jeff Columbo, shout out din. Yan. I wish nga lang makapunta ng ganyang kalayo, but unfortunately because of my obligation, duties and responsibilities of taking good care of my so old father, I just unfortunately I just can't afford to go no liberty, walang kalayaang makapunta. Yun lang sa mamalayo. So within Pangasinan na for the meeting. Tsaka nakakapagod din kasi yung biyahe. So yung nakakapagod din kasi bumiyahe unless work related, pwede sana. Pero no, for the meantime kahit sa within Urdaneta lang ako muna for the meantime. Alright. So without further ado, let's now start our discussion regarding the parts that I bought. So first up, as we reveal the first part, the first set of parts actually for our edition of DCL Random Vlogs. Yan, I give shout out once again to RJ Bardonado Peronce of Presto Street, Mangaldan, Pangasinan, which is only near Magic Mall, Mangaldan rather. Katabi lang ng Land Bank at McDonald's pag lumabas ng bahay. Yan. Alright. So without further ado, here now are the parts that I bought. First up, we have here these yellow VS chassis obtained from Sally Racer. Sally Racer, I forgot the item number of Sally Racer simply because it's a limited edition car kit. So it's basta yung mga limited edition car kit, hindi ko po talaga kabisado yan. But in this case, would like to show to yung BZ chassis yellow, all yellow, pati rin yung kanyang A parts, all abs po yan. Yan, as we take a look, yan. Sabi niya rito, abs resin din, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng abs. So, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Yung ibig sabihin ng abs plastic. So, ordinary lang to, parang common material pagdating sa mga chassis at A parts ng bawat Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car kit na ating binibili. So, itong yellow part, actually ang habol ko talaga is this one. So, as I have shown earlier, itong si si Ryuki rather. Itong si Ryuki, ito nga yung simple reason bakit ko binili is simply because of this one. Ayan. Poing! Yan! Nani! Nani! Biglang lumabo yung aking picture. Nani! Ayan. As I zoom in here, ayan nga. Lapit din masyado. Ayun. Yan ang napansin nyo po, bandang kaliwa. Crack. Common na damage ng mga VZ at Super 2 chassis at actually Super X at Super Double X, dito sila madalas nasisira itong na to, portion na to, lalo na pag nakakabit ng round hole o kahit ang AO620. So for me parang mahirap to some racers, ayun nga yung kinakabit, yun yung karaniwang kinakabit, AO620. But syempre, kung saan lang komportable ang auto, yun lang yung ginagawa ko. It's just a matter of preference na lang kung ano yung nilalagay ko na bearing. So in this case, kaya binili ko itong main frame. Actually, at least main frame lang to. Yung na yon, yung A part na yon, bahala na ako kung saan ko lalagay. So it's up to me kung saan ko ilalagay. Just in case na masiraan uli, at least meron ako magagamit pa na ibang mga Tapos bahala na kung ano yung mabuo ko. Yan. So itong na to, yung main frame na to, ang pwedeng pumalit kay Ryuki. Actually, possible, that is just a possibility. I don't know yet kung whether or not matutuloy ko to. So, tingnan ko lang muna dun sa Tamiya Changi Online if ever na merong BZ Red. Kung merong BZ Red, hindi ko muna to itutuloy. Kung merong BZ Red. Pero just in case lang na talaga masira, mabasagan na quality ng chassis, at least meron akong reserba magagamit. Because I want to maintain the VZ chassis machines that I built since February pa. Actually, since January pa pala, at the start of the year 2025. Siyempre, ito yung isa sa mga asset kong entry sa X-Stock or Basic Max car. Pero na yan, magkakaroon na rin na small dia yan kasi gagamit na ako ng mga maninipis na preno. So, most likely, magiging na rin siya. Small dia na rin niya soon. No? So, yun yung first part na pinakita po natin. Okay? In no particular order. Bahala na ako ano mabunod ko. Basta mabunod ko lahat in any order. Ito naman yung kasama niya na actually set po yun. Actually set talaga yung bininta nga ni RJ. So, ito naman yung call ng Sally Racer. Yun nga lang, wala lang driver. So, for the meantime, hindi ko na muna siya gagamitin at this point. Dahil wala lang. Yeah, ito yung sticker ng Sally Racer. Wala nga lang siyang animal figure dito sa na to. Pero just in case lang na maisipan kong maglaro ulit ng halimbawa, siguro I don't know kung sa Pro Stock o sa X-Stock, bahala na ako kung saan ko gagamitin tong call na to. Pero just in case, re-reserve ako na lang po muna ito. Reserve list na lang muna siya for the meantime. So, dito na lang muna. Dito na lang ilalagay away from the cam. So, ayan. Usog ko na lang dito para mas madali. Yan. So, ang first item, dito yan. Ito lang muna. Ito lang yung at least na kailangan ko mga. Ito, bahala na ako kung kailan ko gamitin yan. Na lang, if the need arises na lang. Now, next part to reveal, right here, is this carbon reinforced rear double roller stay 3 attachment points. Doon naman doon sa kabila pala kanina, ilalagay ko na lang yung description kung saan yung Sally Racer car kit. Lalagay ko na lang dyan sa description pag in-upload yon sa YouTube. Alright, but going back to our topic, it's 15412 item number of this carbon reinforced rear double roller stay 3 attachment points. One of the most common tune-up part being used for both X-Stock and Speedtech, for both BMAX and Speedtech. Itong carbon 3 point na ito, yan yung pang-suporta dun sa mga yung mga plate o carbon and FRP combination, yan, mga combination ng mga yon. Yan. So, itong extra na to, bala na ako kung sino yung unang maluwagan ng tornilyo dun sa mga FM na Sa ngayon kasi yung BIK hindi ko pa naman talaga totally nagagamit. So I don't know yet kung kung kanino to. Pero just in case then again, in case of emergency din yan, pwede rin kay BIK muna yan or to any other Gun Blaster or Scarlett or kung sino man yung kung sakali may mabuo pa ako na ibang CFM, BMAX or Speedtech car. Next, in no particular order, once again, this is random pick. Random pick na tong ginagawa ko. Basta maubos ko lang. Masama pakita lang lahat. Okay, ito naman yung A-part ng A-part set ng Carbon FM yan. Yan, talagang legit Tamiya yan. Obtained from Brock & G, which is the first ever CF, the first ever Super FM chassis model produced and released by Tamiya Corporation since 1996. Actually, 95-96 yung Bracken Gigant 19411. Yun yung origin, yung pinagmulan nitong ano na to, yung Super FM na to. So, ayan, ginawa lang ng carbon version. Still made of ABS resin. Made of ABS resin plastic. Ayan, pwedeng kay BIK na ito. Dito, sa gitna. Pwedeng dito na. I can actually use this for Blue Ice King. Blue Ice King, simple ko sa ano nga lang. Yung gaya nga nasabi ko doon sa GC or group chat. Doon sa, sa group natin. Balik loob. Balik loob. Kasi matagal, isa rin sa mga asset ko rin yan eh. Yan si BIK. Pwede rin isa sa mga asset ko na talaga. For both Speedtech and BMAX X-Tack supposed to be. Pero dahil may na-trim na dun sa harap niya, malamang Speedtech na yan. Siyempre, gagamitan para ng either Sprint or Ultra depending on the track layout. Next to reveal, right here, is this FRP rear brake stay set. Again, another common part being used for BMAX, X-Tack, and also for Speedtech races, racing cars actually, with an item number of 15518. That's the default item number of the rear brake plate. And yan, again, this is 15518. Itong standard FRP rear brake stay set. Yan, instead na pink or red ang included sa tune-up part set na to, it's already white. But this white brake plate still has the same effect as the previous color, which is red or pink. Sometimes they call it red, sometimes they call it pink, depending on dice. Kanya-kanya kasi tayong mata eh. So whatever. So red man yan o pink. Dati yun ang kulay niya, ngayon white na lang. But again, white still the white brake pads still have the same effect, braking effect, as the previous color, red or pink. Yan. This is 2mm thick actually. Yun yung naka-default dito sa FRP rear brake stay. Ito naman, obviously, para rito kay God Logan ko na to ilalagay. So parang yun yung bagong, yung pinakabagong ano niya, rear brake stay. Just in case na makulangan ako, at least meron ako may ilalagay. Again, shout out to Jervis Roses as well. Thanks so much sa mga pinamili kong pyesa. Alright, next to reveal, obtained from the actually itong hard what do you call this? Hard TPE VS tires. Hard TPE white VS tires obtained from derivation lang to ng mga VS chassis at ng mga knuckle breaker tires actually. So itong na to, yung white na to, madalas makikita mo to sa this is being seen with Big Spider Premium 19439 item number. Yung car kit na yon is 19439. Yung Super 2 version ng Big Spider. Yung premium version nun with donning the red Super 2 chassis with the black A-part and merong easy lock gear cover, at ito yung naka-include na tires sa kanya, sa kit na yon. So lang to, parang part out, let's just say part out itong na to, white hard white TPE tires, thermoplastic elastomer or thermoplastic rubber. Itong na to, yung hard tire na to, pwedeng kay BIK, pwedeng kay God Logan, bahala na ako, pwedeng igit na ako na lang in between those two. So for now, dyan ko na muna siya ilalagay. Actually, I still have another set of the identical tire shown earlier, this time in a blue hard rubber, blue hard TPE tires. Hard TPE yan, ang sabi niya ay what do you call this? Ang sabi niya is hard, medium hard pala, medium hard ang sabi niya. Mga hard tires ng Knuckle Breaker Blue Special. Ayan, obtained from Knuckle Breaker Blue Special 19620. Yun po yung item number ng Knuckle Breaker Blue Special, donning the Super Double X chassis, yung navy, yung kulay navy na Super Double X chassis, na 20th model in the Aero Mini 4-wheel drive series. At itong blue hard rubber tire namang ito, obviously kay God Logan yan mapupunta kung sakaling magagamitan ko to ng small diameter tires, if ever. Pero kung sakali kong manggagawin yan, the same approach for Ryuki, dapat ano siya, mga maninipis lang na pereno yung gagamitin ko. 1 in front, 2 in rear. 1mm front, 2mm rear. That's it. Yun na yun. Yun lang yung gagamitin ko, wala nang iba. Next to reveal, eto, actually, ang next na ipapakita po natin, gold-plated Terminal B, designed for super, designed for Type 2, Type 4, Type 5, Old FM, Super FM, which is the CFM, Super TZ, and Super TZX chassis. Itong gold-plated Terminal B 15046, again, bumili ako para kay BIK this time around. Obviously, kay BIK na yan, kasi, ano nga, sabi ko nga, pagbabalik loob, actually. So, again, kay Blue Ice King na naman yan. Itong, ano na to. Yan, i-display ko na rito. And then, ito nga, susunod naman, ayan, hollow propeller shaft ng Super FM din. Again, 15206 na item number. Again, kay BIK or Blue Ice King din pupunta itong part na ito. Yan, dito ko na ulit siya ilalagay. Pwede rin, ilapag ko rito, then, so, tatlo na ang nakay BIK. Tatlo na ngayon yung nakay BIK. Next, I still have 3. I still have 3 items left here. The next item to reveal, 15497 item number, the high-grade elongated popsicle designed for 19mm and 13mm rollers. So, the high-grade carbon reinforcing plate. The elongated popsicle for both 13mm and 19mm, kaya dalawa pa yung butas niya sa dulo, depende kung anong roller ang gamit mo. Kung sa mas malayo, 13, 19 naman pag sa medyo malapit. Ang item number nun ay 15497. Again, itong ano na to, dagdag lang daw sa dagdag lang sa X-Stock B-Max na CFM. Basta yung mga Super FM chassis na particularly mga CFM na B-Max, X-Stock, Speedtech, yun, doon ko lalagay ito. So again, pwede rin kay BIK ito. For the meantime, pwede rin kay BIK, o pwedeng si Mojito yung ilagay dyan, o yun. Pwedeng ilagay ko na yan kay Mojito, if ever. Pwedeng yan na mismo yung ilalagay ko kay Mojito pag si Green Penoy may sarili na siya. May sarili na siyang high-grade carbon in both front and rear, both sides of both ends actually of Green Penoy has meron na nga siyang high-grade carbon plates at both ends of the car. So malamang either kay BIK or kay Mojito na ko na yan ilalagay. Yang 15497 item number. So isandal ko na lang dyan. Alright, the penultimate item to be shown here. The penultimate item to be shown for this video log today, for this video log, this edition rather, sa itong side mass damper set designed for, initially designed for AR chassis with an item number of 15459. So this is actually the third time I bought this side mass damper set. Originally, this initially designed for AR chassis, but this can also be used by MAVZ. The same goes for Ryuki. Actually, ayan na nga, yung side mass AR na yan. Yeah. Meron pa nga akong isa, hindi ko pa nga lang na countersunk. Definitely sa BZ, pwede. Sa AR, aside from AR, pwede sa BZ, pwede sa MA, FMA, Super Double X. Bahala na tayo kung saan natin ikakabit. So for this case, itong 15459 na tune-up part item number nitong naturang tune-up part set na to ay lalagay ko na to. Bahala na ako kung kay Ryuki, kay God Logan, o kung ano mang to. Pwede rin kay Shaidra, if ever. Pwede rin kay Shaidra itong ilagay. No. So, yun na lang yung So, gano'n na lang yung gagawin natin. Okay, next. So, next, to reveal. Final item to reveal. Bahala na ako rito. Pwedeng dito na lang muna sila for the meantime. Final item to be revealed here. Last but definitely not the least, itong multi-purpose tape blue. 15463 item number. 15463 item number itong multi-purpose tape na to. Akala nawala ko kasi yung tape kaya inisip ko na lang na bumili nitong tape. Just in case maglalagay ng preno, ayan. Doon ko lang. For general use na yan actually. So ayan, nailatag ko na po lahat. Ayan, tamang-tama nakasummarize na po lahat. So ayan. So nakasummarize na po lahat yung ating mga part set. Yan. So ito na, summarize na po natin. Tapusin na natin. Total, merong ilang minuto na lang tayo. Okay, so yung blue and white yan, kay God Logan. Tapos yung plate, yung mga ibang mass damper, yung internal, gold plate terminal at yung yan, dito kay BIK yan, o multi-purpose tape, general use. Tapos yung rear brake stay yan kay God Logan. Tapos yung chassis na to, yung mainframe lang na to ang target ko para dito kay Ryuki. Para mapalitan lang yung nabasag na mainframe ni Ryuki. Or pwedeng magiging mighty, mighty Kuga. Maiiba na ng flame nito kung sakaling gagamitin ko to rito. Iba na yung magiging name nito. Hindi na siya Ryuki, kundi mighty Kuga. Pwede ko nang tawaging mighty Kuga yan, if ever. So, ayan. So, that will do it for our latest edition of DPAT's Tamiya League Random Video Log number 47 overall in the playlist on DPAT TV. So, ayan, nasummarize ko na po kung saan ko ilalagay yung yung mga parts na pinamili ko. Once again, shout out to RJ Peronce and Jervis Roses. Thanks so much sa mga pinurchase kong pyesa. Ayan, at least naka-early Christmas na kayo sa akin. Sabay ka na see at the races reasons. Kung hindi man sa 23, again, kung sakaling sa 23 di ako matuloy, malamang December 6 na. Sigurado December 6, sigurado lalaro talaga ako. Pero yung 23 alanganin. Malayo talaga yung pag outside Pangasinan talaga wala. Malamang hindi talaga ako makapunta. So pasensya na po. Siyempre committed pa talaga ako sa pagiging anak sa magulang, natural. Yan na rin yung rason bakit di ako makapanligaw na hindi makahanap ng asawa. Wala akong time para doon. Yun na lang. Kaya mas maganda, babae ng manligaw sabay gano'n. Nani! Alright, so there you have it for our latest edition of DTL Random Vlogs. Ayan na po yung pagtalakay po natin sa lahat ng mga tune-up part set na nabili po ng inyo pong lingkod for this edition rather of DTL Random Vlogs. Once again, Don Patrick D. Paragular here for now, signing off. Thanking you so much to all who watch and who will watch anytime here on our video log regarding our my continuing improvement of my Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car entries being used for Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive actual competitions yan, in all category, regardless of category actually. So kung saan ako may lalaro, yun. Ganun lang. Alright, so for now, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, especially drugs and all other negativities around you, and protect yourself from all those negativities at all times and at all costs as well. Once again, Don Patrick D. Paragular here, leaving you a pleasant day to all of you. And as always, never forget to pray and be always thankful to God, for God is good, God is great, and God is almighty all the time. As always, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Nation, and God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. And like I always remind each and every true Filipino across the globe, rather, love the Philippines no matter what the crisis. Bahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at sama-sama po tayong bumangon muli at ipakita at ipagmalaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino. We are all true Filipinos. Isigaw na malakas ang ating panalo. Shout out our victory to the world. Taos puso, taas na keeping our heads high and with all our hearts, kahit kanino. Pero sa mamanlulupig, hindi po tayo pasisiil. Lakad matatag, anumang delubyo ang dumaan. Once again, this has been another presentation of another DPAT's Tamiya League Random Video Logs. Once again, Don Patrick D. Paragular here saying shukran to Senta to all of you. God bless always, everyone.